Good morning. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up Megan and we are just going to run around, go to the mall, do some errands, and hang out.
I'm here! Yay!
Where are we going?
The beach?
Yeah.
I don't know where we're going first, but we're going to the beach. So.
Yeah, I have to get makeup later, but we'll probably go to the beach first.
Okay, so we went in the water. It's actually pretty warm. There she goes. Yeah, it drops down like randomly. Okay, so we just got out of the water. We were in there for quite a while. We did a little bit of shell shopping. And we're taking a drink break right now, and then we're gonna go back in.
Did I give you that? Oh, I have
We got Slurpees, but I'm dropping her off now. It was fun. Did you have fun? I had fun. It was really fun. It's cool hanging. What? Are you picking your nose? Anyways, bye. Love you.
Bye.
So I just got back from the beach. Look at my back. It got burnt a lot. It's like that on this side too. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna peel. I'm gonna have to put aloe on it. Guys, I'm on another walk. I've kept my word. I've worked out every single day this week. And today it was like a super workout in the ocean because of like the pull. It was really hard to like go against the waves, and that's what we were doing. So today I feel pretty good. Okay, so I got back from my walk and we had dinner. Something that happened today was going to the beach. But I just put aloe on my sunburn because it's burning a lot. Good night.